Hey, what is up YouTubers? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find super affiliate campaigns for whatever offer you want to promote in under 5 minutes. So this is going to be a really quick video. I'm going to get straight to the point. First I'm going to show you what I'm talking about and how we're going to do this. So the traditional way of spying is to go on your ad spy tools like Ad Spy, Big Spy, etc. and just start looking through a huge database of ads and hoping to find some ads that point to the offer that you're promoting to get ideas from that. So that's kind of like the paid version, and it takes a lot of time, but that's not what I'm going to talk about in this video. So this is the paid way of doing it. This is the free way. Take the offer, go to SimilarWeb, SW, and it'll show us the top 5 sites that are sending traffic to the offer. And the majority of the time, there's going to be big time affiliate landing pages in one of these 5, and then you can get a great idea from that because these are like the top dog affiliates for that offer. So let's do a real life example. This is a max bounty offer called Honest Paws Relief Bites. It's like a CBD gummy type of offer, and you have to request approval to run. I'm not approved, but I can still go and spy without being approved. Honest Paws Relief Bites US default. I'm gonna click preview. So here's the landing page. You can see it's Relief CBD Bites. It looks like that. And one thing you need to know, to use this method, the offer page has to have so many visits per month in order to have statistics on SimilarWeb. And one thing you can do is just come and type in SimilarWeb extension, and this is for Chrome. And this is what I got, and it's a big time saver. So just type that in, add it to your bookmark bar right here, and it'll look like this. Or you can just go to similarweb.com and paste in any website. But I like to have the bookmark. So anyways, it's got at every offer page that you want to use this method for, it has to have a certain amount of visits. And I want to say it's probably over like, I don't know, maybe 10 to 20,000 visits a month. So this one does. And as you can see, May 2020, it's got over 180,000 unique visitors per month. For that month. And then June, 136, July 223, 146, 186, 191. So it's getting a lot of traffic. So that's when you know it's also a really good offer because people are sending a lot of traffic to it. And this is using the bookmark extension. And you can't really get as many details as you could on the actual website from this bookmark, but you can get enough, and you can see that there is enough traffic for you to have all the statistics. So another thing I look at is the geography, or like what countries are sending the most traffic, and the number 1 is the United States with 84%, and then traffic sources. So the top traffic source is search. And if you guys run Google ads or Bing ads, that's a good indicator that this offer is probably working for others that are running it on Google or Bing. And then direct, and then referrals, display ads, social is way down there, and then email is down there as well. So search traffic is the top dog for traffic sources for this campaign. So then once you get down here, you can see it says want to see more insights, go to SimilarWeb. I'm going to click on that, and then it shows you global rank, country rank, category rank. It's pretty high in the category rank. It's at 218. And then it just, same thing, shows you the traffic, the geography, traffic sources. Here's search, big time. And then right here, referrals. This is where you can find the super affiliates. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the top referring sites. And they're going to show you that. And what you can do is you can come and click go to each one of these websites and see how they're promoting this offer. So I'd click on that, see what they're doing. So they're running like some top 10 article style landers. That's cool. App, viral sweep. That one won't work. Let's see this one. Cannabis supplements for pets.com. So this is like another list type thing. Here's the list of the 5 recommended brands. And number 1 is Honest Paws, and that's the offer. That's this offer. So anytime someone sees like, oh, this is the number 1, and they go here, because everyone obviously wants the best for their dog. So they go here, if they get it and make the purchase or whatever, they get $40. So, okay, so that's one way of doing it. Let's keep it going. Dog Dream, go to website. Dog Dream CBD. Okay, does your dog suffer from seizures, pain, nausea? Let's go like that. Has your dog a dietary limit? Let's just say yes. Let's say over 20 pounds. And they do searching for the right products. And then they have a whole bunch of recommendations after you finish that little quiz. Let's see, honest pauses right here. So it sends them to the offer, and that's awesome. So that was a really good quiz. Let me just refresh. So they probably got it set up where you could click anything and it'll give you the same results. Let's say yes. Honest pause. Yep. So they promote pretty much the same things out of everything. So like if I was actually wanting to run this offer, I would get ideas from this quiz right here. And then I'd go on ClickFunnels and I'd make my own quiz style landing page. And I'm telling you, quiz style landing pages work super good when you're promoting affiliate marketing offers. So that is it for this video. That's how easy it is. Oh, I didn't go and check that one. But anyways, that's how easy it is to find the top 5 referring sites to any affiliate marketing offer that has enough data for SimilarWeb to dissect for you. And SimilarWeb is 100% free. And there you can upgrade and you can see like 8 more referring sites, and you can schedule a demo or you can just upgrade your plan and see more. But I think as long as I get to see the top 5, I'm good with that. So that is how you can spy on super affiliate marketing campaigns in 5 minutes or less, and it's 100% free. If you got any value from this video, I would appreciate it so much if you would drop a like on this video. It would help me with the YouTube algorithm. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.